CCC members of parliament were thrown out of parliament due to the fact that they protested against the recalling of 15 of their members of parliament from Bulawayo, Umotare and Binga. Nemabvuku yekwaScott. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and to share our videos. Sengezo Chabang was the one who wrote a letter to Modenda, the Speaker of Parliament, and said, "We are recalling 15 of our members due to the fact that they are no longer part of the party CCC." But then Modenda did not confirm with the CCC Speaker, Gift Ostalos or Fadzai. Even Nelson Chamisa was not contacted. He actually wrote a letter straight to Zek kuti tokumbira mutiti hostereo by-elections since tane vacancies of 15 members. It was such an embarrassment. Members of parliament achidani vachidanirwa riot police vachisundiwa kuburitswa muparliament. Such primitive ways. They were actually fighting for their voices to be heard, and their speaker actually made it clear kuti Chabang was not part, or is actually not part of CCC. He actually saw a loophole and took it upon himself to be the Secretary General. The same Chabang also wrote a letter achiti Nelson Chamisa has been fired and has a part of CCC. The letter reads, "Press statement 10 October 2023 with immediate effect. Advocate Nelson Chamisa has been expelled from the CCC for personalizing the party as well as his continued gross disregard of the party constitution, amongst other issues, including embezzlement of party funds. Last year, a total of $120,000 was raised for Advovo. Bulletproof car, the money disappeared. The party received $300,000 last month from Partner International Organization for Job Seekers legal fees, and the money disappeared. The party also received $6 million. Part of the money was to fund training, deployment, and payment of election agents. The money disappeared, and the party could not deploy agents at polling stations, and to this day, not even one from the recruited 55,000 people have been paid. $3 million also disappeared from the party offshore accounts, and we got no explanation of all this. Personalization of the party. Chamisa has made the party his personal property and is now running at his own discretion. The party symbol is his face. He takes all crucial decisions by himself. And now the party is serving his personal interest. We cannot allow that. Collaboration with ZANU-PF and ex-ZANU-PF members resulting in heavy infiltration. And now the party has been hijacked, abusing the party name to raise funds for his personal projects, tarnishing the image of the party through stage managing abductions and through inciting violence in the name of the party. Imposition of candidates resulting in loss of some constituencies and wards throughout the country, neglecting party loyalists and bigwigs while rewarding friends, relatives, and concubines. Betrayal of Job Sikala, who has been in prison for more than a year. Now Advocate Nelson Chamisa embezzled money for his legal fees and also neglected his family. Nelson Chamisa has failed to support crucial party events, the Messina mass demonstration, with the potential of giving citizens victory from the stolen election, while resorting to Twitter, Bible verses, useless parables, but citizens want action. Chamisa has failed to petition SADC, UN, and EU over the stolen August 23 election, running the party along tribal lines. We therefore advise citizens to ignore all distractions by individuals working to derail the citizen movement. With immediate effect, Professor Welshman Ncube and Advocate Tendai Biti are acting presidents until the party convenes an extraordinary Congress on the days to be advised. and all official communication will be coming from the Secretary General's office, Sengezo Chabangu. So this is the letter that came in ichibva kuna Sengezo achiti iye Nelson Chamisa has been stealing. Nekuona kwenyu imimi guys, please don't forget kukomenta zvamunofunga. Do you think this guy is actually one of CCC members, or actually he's the person talking about infiltration? Maybe he is a part of the guys that infiltrated. There was a letter that was also released by Gift Ostalos achiti iye Sengezo was never part of CCC. The last party he joined was a P something and MDCT. So he never became part of CCC. Yes, he was seen in CCC regalia, and he was also taken a picture, or actually a couple of pictures by Nelson with Nelson Chamisa, but it does not qualify him to be the Secretary General.
But you want me to suffer? I'm representing you. I'm representing you. My officer, my name, I'm telling you.
Took it at face value. When Tendai Biti saw this, he actually tweeted, "I am not the president of any party. I refuse to be drawn in this mess. May my privacy and dignity be respected. Hashtag Asifuni Bumbulu." So he is actually saying, we do not want any nonsense. I am not part of this. Godfrey Tsenengamo decided to comment. Talking from experience, he said, "Mukoma Chabangu, you are nothing but a chewing gum. Once you lose taste, they will throw you away. You are being used, but very soon you will be discarded. Unogona kufunga kuti urikurira, asi uchiridzwa." Nelson Chamisa also decided to comment on this. He tweeted, "A leopard never changes its spot. Zimbabwe is in deep political crisis as a result of flawed and disputed elections. Partisan capture of state institution is criminal. ZANU-PF is not Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is not ZANU-PF. Parliament is supposed to make laws and not break them. Zimbabwe shall be free. Aluta continua." So this is his tweet. It is with sadness that we also announce the death of Juliet Kadungure, Sisiva Boss G Ginimbi, who she died yesterday when she was supposed to be celebrating the brother's birthday. Achiva ku Tanzania. She was involved in a car accident. Uko Genius was also involved in a car accident as well. So guys, yeah, it is really sad. Uko Pauline Jani, who was also part of the Zimbabwe national netball team, also passed away. This is sad. She was still very young, in her early 30s. On a lighter note, babaharare vapindira pagiyani papalas papapenny penny to work on a new collab. Pane zviri kuitika guys behind the scenes vachisvika zvavo pagiyani up. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe, to share. Munofunga chi nenyaya yedu yanhasi. Chabangu uyu is a part of CCC. Kana uchichi, just write anything that you wish to mu comment section medu. Thank you for watching.